I have some fig vinegar, chicken Savoy. We're going to do a coconut milk powder. Just arrange them. This batch seems like it was a little smaller. Normally when I do a chicken Savoy, we get 3 batches out of it. And this batch is a little shy. Don't worry about all the herbs and spices and yummy. Press it down. All right, to the fire, quick 4 minutes. All right, it's been 4 minutes. We're gonna drain it, wait for it. All right, now we got some coconut powder after we drained it. All right, wait for it. All right, we flipped it. It's coated with a little, on one side coconut milk powder and then on the other side. And 2 minutes on the fire and we're ready to rock and roll. There you go. Yummy. And there it is. All done. Coconut milk powder. Yummy. Feel bad when the batches are that small though. And then just throw it in the sink. Yummy.